Good morning, welcome to Fitous Thai Kitchen. Today we are going to make chili paste or Nam Phrik Pao. So the ingredient not much different from chili oil, but the taste different. Okay, we're going to show you all the ingredient. This one, dry chili, we use the small dry chili, about 25 gram, and a big one, 25 gram. Banana shallot, this one 200 gram. Garlic 200 gram. Dry shrimp 100 gram. Tamarind sauce. I think we put about 4 or 5 tablespoons. Fish sauce, shrimp paste, and coconut sugar. And we can taste later how much, because normally when we do quite a lot, but this one small amount. But we need to slide this one and easy to fry. All these ingredients we need to fry. Okay. We heat the oil. What oil we use? The vegetable oil. Yeah. We heat the oil until this one hot. The cooking oil hot enough. We fry garlic first. When the color change to yellow, you can take it out and you drain it. Don't burn it. If you burn, you can get the bitter taste. Okay. Now the shallot. The nice smell. Yeah, also the same way until the turn to yellow color. The shallot it takes longer than garlic. Okay, now we get the right color. We lower a little bit of gas because we're going to fry chili. The chili is very quick to fry. Put in there, very quick. We have to get like this for this drainer. Okay, we take it out. Fry the other one. This one, the bigger one. And then you fry dry shrimp. And last one, we put 1 tablespoon of the shrimp paste and fry it. Okay, then we off the gas. Don't throw this oil. Let it cool down. We still use this oil to fry all the ingredients. But we mix all the ingredients together, and then we, I don't use the pesto mortar. We use the machine. Yeah, to let it cool down 5 minutes. Okay. We use the mini grinder for mince all these ingredients instead of pesto mortar. Right, we mix all the ingredients together. This one quite a lot, but don't worry, you can keep go quite long. Okay, we mix like this. Okay, now all the ingredients mix with the grinder. Then we use the oil. This oil, the own one, to fry all the ingredients. Okay, we put all of this.
Yeah, it look a bit like chili oil.
But the taste, yeah, look like, but the taste different. Yeah, that's why the ingredient quite similar, but and also we use different way. And chili oil, we add the more taste from some dish, and this one we have the certain dish we going to make. You can get a different smell. Yeah, we fry another 5 minutes. Mix all the ingredients and get the aroma from this. But I have to be, if you don't like too hot, just use the big chili. This one mean to be quite hot. Okay, now we taste, but we're going to taste. We put the coconut sugar. We put 2 tablespoons first. And tamarind sauce, put it 4. Let's see how the taste like. And fish sauce, another 4 tablespoons. This one also my breakfast. I want to boil egg and eat with Nam Phrik Pao. Yeah, this is for the old people eat. Okay, let me taste what I meet any taste. Not tasty enough. I add another one, coconut sugar. And 2 tamarind sauce, 2 tablespoons, okay? And only one, yeah, that's it. But now I think I get the right taste. What can be used of this Nam Phrik Pao or chili paste? We stir fry with prawn or beef or chicken. And then if you want a little bit more tasty, you just put another tablespoon of stir fry sauce. Or if you want to make tom yum, you can add this one. Yeah, you can get the really nice taste and hot. Also, this one also the same. You can store in the cold room or in the fridge a few months. No, even you have the normal fridge, you can keep it. You just put in the jar. Yeah, you can keep it. Then you don't have to go to the supermarket to buy the ready make. This one you cook by yourself. and you know all the ingredients, what you like and what you want to cook, and you have the idea. Okay. I cannot explain how nice. Okay, as I said, this one we can use the stir fry prawn. Yeah, with chili paste. I put prawn, onion, red pepper, green pepper, and long bean. Yeah, I make use of this one leftover. Okay. Yeah, we fry. Add a little bit of water. And I put a little bit of stir fry sauce. If you want okay, this one everything cooked, right? Proper fry sweet basil.
Alright guys and girls, let's try this. Let me put off by all the oil. You're just eating these ingredients, yeah? But do get yourself some of that sauce. Really good. Just, it's kind of hard to describe. It's obviously spicy, a little bit sweet. You can taste the kapi in there. It's rich, comforting, and incredibly Moorish. So that's it for this video. And I'm not sure what we've got coming next week, but stay peeled. Thanks for your support as always. And yeah, we've gone through 10,000 subscribers, and yeah, we're just doing our best and see where we get to on this journey together. Okay, take care now. Bye.